Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a multi-blender from Royal Catering. A device very useful and very versatile, not only in a commercial environment but also at home. I could recommend this to literally everyone. Personally, have had this device in I think every single kitchen I worked at, and I always had one at home. This unit works with 1500 watts, so it's quite powerful. It works with a jar. The blending unit is in the jar on the very bottom. The jar itself has a 2-liter capacity, and I'll show you this now because later on it will not be possible. In order to clean it once in a while, you have to unscrew it. There are markings which way to screw it in and to screw it out, and it fits on top of the device itself. That's the heart of the machine. There's actually one very important safety feature, namely there's a safety right here, and these bolts fit right in there. So the machine will not start until you put the jar on. One remark there, just always make sure the device is off when you put the jar on the device, and never put anything in the jar while the device is on, because when you put it on it will start and you will repaint your whole kitchen. Once the jar is placed on the device, it's ready to be loaded. Alright, so I just prepared ingredients for a very healthy smoothie, but you can do literally anything with this. It's to make purees, just emulsify sauces, make dressings and all that stuff. So just drop your ingredients in, make sure the ingredients are already pre-cut. I'm adding a little bit of spinach into the mix just to make it more healthy. A bit of liquid just so it catches everything. Let's put the lid on. The lid is Rubbermaid. So just fit it in. There's a couple of latches right there. It fits right in. As you can see, there's a hole in the lid. You're just adding ingredients in that you don't want to blend it up so fine. That's what it's for. As long as it fits through there, you can put it in while the device is operating. In order to avoid any splashes, just close it down. You have an on and off switch. You have a regulation, so you can regulate the speed of your rotation, and you have a pulse function. What would you need a pulse function for? Especially when you don't need something blended up very fine, you can just simply push it like that, it jumps back up, and you can control how long you're blending exactly. And now back to the dial. With this dial you can set the speed of your rotation between 16,000 and 32,000 rotations per minute. So let's just turn the device on and I'll speed it up as we go. So that's what the machine does. Awesome and tasty smoothies. Alright, just to avoid any splashes, there you go. Very healthy green pear fruit spinach smoothie. If you're looking for a blender, just have a look at the website. There's a variety of hand blenders and jar blenders on offer. So different parameters, sort of different attachments and so on. So you definitely find one that will suit your needs. With this one though, you will get a 3-year warranty. So anything should happen to it, don't worry about it. And for transport, the producer gives you a really sturdy cardboard box with really tight snug fit, so it doesn't rattle around on its journey. So no matter what the delivery guy does to it, it will stay safe. Also inside you will find this instruction manual. Please have a look. In it there's a lot of useful information on how to clean it, how to maintain it, and how to operate the device. So very good read. Alright, let me quickly summarize. You have a plastic 2-liter jar, then you have a device with 1500 watts of power. You can set the rotation between 16,000 and 32,000, so it's very efficient, easy controls, quite a compact package, so it fits nearly everywhere. If you're looking for equipment for your kitchen and you want me to test something, just leave me a comment in the comment section. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.